Hello friends, today's class is GK. Question number 1. Story is my life watch. Written by option A. Morarji Desai. The correct answer is option A. Morarji Desai. Question number 2. Which of the following rivers is called biological desert? A. Brahmaputra, B. Ganga, C. Damodar, D. Yamuna. Correct answer is C. Damodar. Question number 3. The Rig Veda consists of option A 1028 hymens, option B 1000 hymens, option C 2028 hymens, option D 1038 hymens. The correct answer is option A 1028. Question number 4. The father of English poetry was option A Geoffrey Chaucer, option B Shakespeare, option C Wordsworth, option D Dryden. The correct answer is option C Wordsworth. Question number 5. Sea territory of India extends up to option A 4 nautical miles, option B 12 nautical miles, option C 200 nautical miles, option D 400 nautical mile. The correct answer is option B 12 nautical miles. Question number 6. Hockey India League started in the year option A 2010, option B 2011, option C 2013, option D 2012. The correct answer is option C 2013. Question number 7. Right to Education Act was enacted in the year. Right to Education Act was enacted in the year. Option A 2007, option B 2008, option C 2009, option D 2010. The correct answer is option C 2009. Question number 8. Indian Premier League started in the year. The option A 2006, option B 2007, option C 2008, option D 2009. The correct answer is option B 2007. The question number 9. Abdul Kalam Island is located in option A Tamil Nadu, option B Andhra Pradesh, option C West Bengal, option D Odisha. The correct answer is option D Odisha. Question number 10. Who built the Khajuraho temples? Who built the Khajuraho temples? Option A Vijayanagar kings, option B Bahamani kings, option C Chandel kings, option D Gupta kings. The correct answer is option C Chandel kings. Question number 11. The Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan RMSA scheme was launched in the year option A 2007, option B 2008, option C 2009, option D 2010. The correct answer is option C 2009. Question number 12. Who originally commissioned Sanchi Stupa? Option A Emperor Ashoka, option B Chandragupta Maurya, option C Harshvardhan, option D Kanishka. The correct answer is option A Emperor Ashoka. Question number 13. Give me blood and I promise you freedom was uttered by option A Bhagat Singh, option B Chandrasekhar Azad, option C Sardar Patel, option D Subhash Chandra Bose. The correct answer is option D Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 14. An orange is a rich source of option A proteins, option B carbohydrates, option C vitamin C, option D iodine. The correct answer is option C vitamin C. Question number 15. Which state is known for its folk dance Garba? Option A Punjab, option B Gujarat, option C Rajasthan, option D Haryana. The correct answer is option B Gujarat. Question number 16. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is option A Shillong, option B Dimapur, option C, Dispur, option D, Itanagar. The correct answer is option D, Itanagar. So friends, like my video and subscribe this my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.